హాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్. ఈరోజు మన టాపిక్ ఏంటంటే కండక్టర్స్ ఇన్ ఎలక్ట్రిక్ ఫీల్డ్. ఓకే, దీనికంటే ముందు మనం ఇంకా చాలా టాపిక్స్ డిస్కస్ చేసుకున్నాం. సో ఆ టాపిక్స్లో ఇంకా ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో కింద లింక్ ఇచ్చున్నాను. సో డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో చెక్ చేసుకొని సో వాచ్ చేయండి. ఓకే, సో మన టాపిక్లోకి వెళ్ళే ముందు సో నా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి అండ్ షేర్ టు యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఓకే, conductors in electric field. Actually electric field lines do not pass through the inside the conductors. So electric field lines do not pass through the conductors. Okay, so how it is we are expressing this one means, so let us consider this is one conductor. So this is solid conductor or hollow conductor. Okay, so whatever it may be, this one solid or hollow. Okay, so anyone, solid means a complete mass is distributed, hollow means only surfaces only mass distributed. Okay, so here I am taking one positive metal plate. So this is a positive metal plate, and this side I am taking here one negative metal plate. So this is one negative metal plate. We know electric field lines are generating in positive electric field ending at negative. So and electric field lines are electric field is a vector quantity. So always here direction also very important. Here 90 degrees where we need electric field lines, there we are drawing the normal, that is gives the electric field direction. So electric field lines are passing like this, but electric field lines are always resides on the surfaces only, not inside. Okay, so again electric field lines are passing so in this like this. Okay, so these all are the electric field lines. These all are the electric field lines. Inside there is no charge. So this is only wonderful application. This one only we are calling as a electrostatic shielding. So this application only we are calling electrostatic shielding. Okay, so in many examples we are observing in so daily life. So for suppose one person is sitting inside the car, so but he is not thunderstorms is not affecting inside the person. Okay, car is the best example of the electrostatic shielding. So car sides only mass distributing, so inside there is no mass. Okay, car is the best example of electrostatic shielding. So please take the screenshot. Next we are discussing one more concept. Next topic is electric dipole. Next topic is electric dipole. Okay, electric dipole. So di means two poles. Okay, that charge having two poles, polarities. Pole means polarity. One is positive sign and second one is the negative sign. That's why dipole. So two polarities. Okay, an electric charge having two polarities, equal magnitude and opposite signs, they are separated by a small distance. They are separated by a small distance. Okay, that is the electric dipole. So electric dipole is a pair of point charges. Pair of point charges separated by a small distance. Separated by a very small distance. Small distance. Okay, equal magnitude equal magnitude and opposite signs. Equal magnitude and opposite signs. So this is the electric dipole definition. So according to definition, here I am taking two small point charges. Okay, so this is minus q point charge and this is plus q point charge. Equal magnitude and opposite signs. So exactly this is origin point. Both 2 point charges are separated by a small distance. Okay, so 2L means origin point to the discharge distance L and origin point to the discharge distance L. L plus L, 2L. 2L is the single distance. And this electric dipole is denoted by letter P. Okay, so finally how we can denote this one means P is equal to, okay, so magnitude of the, so Q into distance, separated distance 2L. 2L is a single distance only, okay na, so don't multiply 2L here, so 2L, so simply Q into 2L and SI units, Q means coulomb, 2L length units is meter, so coulomb meter, so electric dipole SI units is coulomb meter. Okay, next please take screenshot. Next we are discussing electric dipole applications at axial point, equatorial point we are discussing. And right here electric dipole is a vector quantity. Electric dipole is a vector quantity. Okay, next one. So electric dipole at axial point. Electric dipole at a axial point. Okay, so at axial point we have to calculate the electric field in electric dipole. Okay, so that is the concept. So let us consider, here I am taking one dipole, so this is dipole. Okay now, so this is minus q and this is plus q. Okay, write neatly, minus q and plus q. So this is origin point, origin to the minus q distance L and origin to the plus q distance L. Okay, at axial point, this is the axial line. So this is axial line. Somewhere here I am considering one point P. In this P point I am calculating the electric field. Electric field we have to calculate in electric dipole. So electric dipole at axial point we are calculating in electric field. So here electric field let us consider EP. So this is positive charge, no? Positive charge electric field lines are radially outwards, this side. Let us consider this is point A and this is point B. Okay, so this side electric field EB. Negative charge radially inwards, so radially inwards this side. So this is EA. From origin point to the P point distance, let us consider x. Okay, clear? So now B point to, at P point only we are calculating electric field. So from B point to P point distance, how much? X is the total distance minus this L. X minus L, remaining distance is the BP distance. So here distance is x minus L. Next, from A point also electric field is there here. So now A point distance also I am taking. So A point to the at P point distance is x plus L. Distance is extension here. So x plus L. Clear everyone this diagram? Yes, now we are calculating electric field. Okay, so electric field apply at A point, electric field apply at B point. Okay, so from A point distance x plus L, from B point distance x minus L. Okay, x minus L. So net electric field, how we can calculate? So therefore EP is equal net electric field, so EA plus EB. So net electric field EA plus EB. Generally, how we can calculate from P point net electric field? This electric field plus this electric field. But according to the vector notations, now you can take vector notations. Vector notations we are taking means electric field at P point EP is equal B, so right side positive, EA left side negative, opposite side means sign convention. So E bar P is equal EA is negative, so negative means positive I am writing here. So EB is positive minus EA is negative. So this is the formula. In this formula, electric field at A and electric field at B points we have to substitute. So what is the electric field at A and electric field at B points? So see here, electric field at A, EA is equal electric field formula 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Okay, so charge here Q charge. So Q by distance how much? From A point to the P point distance x plus L whole square. General formula 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. So okay, same electric field at B point. Electric field at B point case here. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Okay, now charge here also charge Q only by distance x minus L, B to P distance x minus L. Okay, x minus L whole square. So EA value, EB value substitute here. So EP is equal EB is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by x minus L whole square. Okay, x minus L whole square. Okay, minus EA value 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by x plus L whole square. So Q by 4 pi epsilon naught, Q by 4 pi epsilon naught is common. Okay, so Q by 4 pi epsilon naught is common, remaining here 1 by x minus L whole square minus 1 by x plus L whole square. Okay, so here EP is equal, okay, so Q by 4 pi epsilon naught, so LCM x minus L whole square into x plus L whole square, x minus L whole square into x plus L whole square. Okay, next one. So here EP is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught common, Q by 4 pi epsilon naught common, LCM x minus L whole square into x plus L whole square. Here cross multiplication, x plus L whole square minus x minus L whole square, x minus L whole square. So electric field at P point is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught. Okay, so here A plus B whole square form, A plus B whole square form means x square plus L square 2xL minus, this is also same, A square A minus B whole square, so means minus also there here, x square plus L square minus x square minus L square, so minus x square minus L square minus 2ab, minus of minus plus, so this is plus 2xL by x minus L whole square into x plus L whole square, so A minus B whole square into A plus B whole square. What is that formula? X square minus L square whole square. Okay, so finally here plus x square minus x square plus L square minus L square cancel. So electric field at P point is equal Q by 4 pi epsilon naught 2xl plus 2xl 4xl by x square minus l square whole square. Okay, so this we get. Okay, so take screenshot. Next continuation derivation also we are doing. So this diagram I am rubbing. See here, electric field at P point is equal, so Q by 4 pi epsilon naught, so Q by 4 pi epsilon naught, this 4xl I am writing here, so Q also I am not writing here, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught only, so Q into 4xl is there no here, so that one I am writing here, 4 means I am writing 2 into 2 Q, x you can take here. Okay, 2 into 2 means simply Q into 2L we can write 2 into 2 4, so 4 only, x numerator only, L also numerator, so 2 into Q into 2L by x square minus L square whole square, so EP is equal to, so this one simply I am writing here 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into 2x into Q into 2L. What is that Q into 2L? Electric dipole. So P is equal to, what is that formula? Q into 2L. So right here, so that is dipole. P into 2L is Q into 2L is P, x square minus L square whole square. So this formula we are getting. Okay. For suppose dipole is very short, so finally I am writing here EP is equal 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2 p x by x square minus L square whole square. Okay, so here I am writing, so here for suppose dipole is very short, dipole is very short means here, so dipole is very short means here actually, so this is the dipole. Okay, so this is minus Q, here I am taking, so this is plus Q, this is origin, somewhere here I am calculating, so this is P, here electric field only EP, so exactly origin point here distance x, this is L, this is also L. So dipole is very short means this 2L length is L plus L, 2L length is less than x. So this distance how much? 2L. Okay, this is very small distance only comparing to this x. So in that case this 2L will be neglected, means simply L is neglecting. So half portion L is neglected. So L we are neglecting here. EP is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, so right here 2px by, so this one x square whole square means x power 4, L is neglected. Okay, L is neglected. When L is neglected, dipole is very short, L is neglected. Okay, so EP is equal to, simply this is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, so 2p by x cube. Okay, so electric dipole at axial point, electric field value is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2p by x cube. Okay, so thank you friends.